Stainless steel, spill-proof blender bottle, for mixing supplements and smoothies, features an easy open/easy close push button flip cap with a sliding lock to prevent accidental opening. 24-ounce capacity, interior markings go to 20 ounces, offers plenty of room for supplements, meal replacements, or water. Includes a 316 surgical-grade stainless steel BlenderBall Whisk that mixes when the bottle is shaken, for smooth shakes in seconds. Double wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Flexible, ergonomic carry loop provides a comfortable hold. Made from high-quality BPA and phthalate-free materials, hand wash cup, dishwasher-safe lid, not for use with hot liquids. The BlenderBottle Strada Stainless Steel push-button insulated protein shaker provides sleek style and ultimate ease. The bottle's spill-proof locking lid opens and closes with the touch of a button. A flexible, ergonomic carry loop provides a comfortable hold. The patented mixing system utilizes the BlenderBall wire whisk to mix even the most stubborn protein powder, and a rounded base ensures a smooth blend. Double-wall insulated stainless steel keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Measurement markings on the inside of the bottle add to the ease of creating perfect protein shakes. Leak-proof, top-rack dishwasher-safe, BPA and phthalate-free. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic bottle with easy-to-clean rubber gasket on lid. A fantastic bottle and entirely worth the price. I've been using ice shaker bottles for the last 2 years because I was able to get them a bit cheaper than this. But the rubber gasket on the lid is very difficult to remove on them and gets nasty, black and smelly, after a while when you forget to take it out and wash it. So bad that I wanted a new bottle despite everything else being in good condition. This blender bottle has easy access to the rubber gasket with a very shallow lid and even has a pull tab for easy removal, making it a breeze to clean, so it will never get nasty like that. That makes this bottle entirely worth the price, because it will last. The locking lid mechanism is great to have if you throw it in a bag and is still easy to open when not locked. Also has a textured outside which is the little touch that helps make it less likely to be dropped. It keeps things cold well like all good insulated bottles. The rounded base is a nice touch too, easy to clean and rinse out. Just don't blast water into the bottle too hard, it will shoot out because of the rounded base low. Overall, fantastic and very highly recommended. The price is worth it. I got to.